Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Sony, either an HCD or MHC-ECL77BT Stereo, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or if it's not working in any kind of way where it's not connecting or just not working right, you're having issues with the sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box and restore all the factory default settings, maybe you're selling it, maybe you bought a used one, maybe you just, for whatever reason, you just want to get a fresh start on it, we can go ahead and do that. It's pretty easy to do. All you got to do is, from it being off, you're going to turn it on. And then once it's on, we're going to come and find the stop button and the equalizer button. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. And you'll see up on the screen, it will pop up eventually after you hold that. It will pop up with the words reset, at which point you can let go, allow it to complete its reset, and then set up your stereo as a brand new device.